So we're gonna be changing the oil for this. Let's do it ourselves. I hate going to the dealership because all they use is drum oil. And yeah, let's start the process. What you want to do first is, what I should have done was pop the hood first, and then make sure your e-brake is on, and we're gonna jack it up from that point from there. I always use the long reach one because I can reach easily. The low profile one, since the car is lowered, most of our cars are lowered. So let me just pop that open. All right, that's good to go. Make sure your e-brake's on, which I don't think mine is on because I just pulled the car out the garage. So bam, now it's on, so we're good. So we'll just jack this up so we can reach underneath, and then we'll show you the process. So for extra safety, I put a jack stand under that lower control arm, and this is what we're gonna need. I got a flathead for the shield. I got one of these bolts will fit for the bolt to drain plug, and then unscrew that, open that for air, make sure that's just tight so it doesn't come out of here. We got a filter, and we're gonna be using Mobil 1 5W30 full synthetic. We're using 5W30 because we're running about 500 horsepower on this thing. So this is the oil we're going to be using, and this is the filter. If you guys want to know the size, it's M1 110A. Got it at Walmart for like 27 and 10 or 11 bucks. So that does it. Literally, I'm not going to pay 120 somewhere else, or 150, 160 to get my stuff changed. And that's probably going to be using not even full synthetic. There's a drain oil from the drum, I mean. So I'd rather do my own work, so I know what's actually going in there and when it's going in there and how much is going in there. So what you want to start off with is remove this shield right here, flathead and a flathead and a flathead. That comes right down. Just the oil, the filter is there in that corner, and then we got to take this shield out. Same plugs, but in the back there has two screws. Take those two screws out. See a flathead, got one out here, and then just kind of push it that way towards the back of the car, and this panel comes right down, right? And then you have access to the drain plugs. Super easy. Before you go down there and loosen up that bolt, you want to make sure this is loosened up just like that, and this is popped up open as well. But yeah, this is good though. Just like that, it's fine too. So we're good on that. All right, we're here. This is the bolt right here, drain plug. It literally says it on there, oil something something underneath. I'm upside down, so I can't read that. But that's it though. Loosen that up. Make sure this is ready to go. And yeah, let it drain for 15 minutes. All right, she's broken loose. Oh, there we go. Without having any anything on my fingertips. That's how I do it. But that oil is black. You know what that means, right? It's time for a change. Get the light closer to it. Look at that. Time for a change, fam. It's not that bad when you got really close to it, but it was like right about time, right before it's due. Nasty. Alright, so this is how I do it. I usually have an opening on top and half down open so the air can go up, so this way I don't have that like bubbling effect. Let me move a little bit to the side so I can actually see. See? Not so bad, right? It's not like gulping. Alright fam, it's officially done. A little bit dark out, but we closed that up. Both of them. That, we checked it. That's also closed. Now we're good to go. Make sure there's no tools laying around before you close the hood. And once the hood is closed, go ahead and start it up for like a few minutes, let it run. And then you can do whatever you want, but that is it fam. So if you guys appreciate support, if that video was helpful for you guys, smash the like button, comment below if that saved you couple bucks, some time, you know, things like that, got you some experience. would appreciate it if you guys subscribe to the channel. Goal is to hit 100k subs so we get that plaque. If you guys know I deserve it, go for it. Hit the smash the subscribe button and stay tuned. Keep watching some awesome content coming up.